Have you ever seen a car stopped on the roadside with steam pouring out from under the hood? It looks dramatic, almost like the car is about to explode. But what's really happening inside an overheating engine? And why can something as simple as heat destroy one of the most powerful machines humans have ever built? If you enjoy videos that reveal the hidden science behind everyday things, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow Curious World Insights for more fascinating explanations. Inside every car engine, controlled explosions happen nonstop. Fuel mixes with air inside metal cylinders, and spark plugs ignite the mixture thousands of times every minute. These tiny explosions create the force that moves the car forward, but they also create massive amounts of heat. In fact, engines can become hot enough to damage themselves within minutes if that heat is not controlled properly. That's why every car has a cooling system designed to fight against extreme temperatures. Every second the engine runs, a special liquid called coolant flows through tiny channels around the engine. As the engine heats up, the coolant absorbs that heat like a sponge soaking up water. The hot coolant then moves to the radiator at the front of the car, where cooler air removes the heat before the liquid circulates again. It's an endless cycle designed to keep the engine alive. But the moment something in that system fails, problems begin. Maybe the coolant starts leaking. Maybe the radiator fan stops spinning. Maybe the water pump breaks. Or maybe the engine oil becomes too low to reduce friction between moving parts. When that happens, heat starts building rapidly inside the engine. Metal parts begin rubbing together under extreme temperatures. The engine becomes hotter and hotter until warning lights appear on the dashboard. Soon, steam may start rising from the hood as coolant boils inside the system. And this is where things get dangerous. Engines are made from strong metal, but even metal has limits. Too much heat can warp engine components, crack important parts, or destroy the head gasket that seals the engine properly. Once severe overheating happens, repairs can become extremely expensive. In some cases, the entire engine may stop working completely. That's why mechanics take overheating so seriously. Modern engines are incredibly powerful machines, capable of surviving constant explosions, high pressure, and intense movement every second. But despite all that strength, something as simple as excess heat can bring everything to a stop. So the next time you see steam coming from a car on the road, remember this. Underneath the hood is a machine fighting a constant battle against heat. And the cooling system is the only thing keeping that battle under control.